Alexei Anatolievich Navalny is a Russian opposition politician, lawyer, and anti-corruption activist. He came to international prominence by organizing anti-government demonstrations and running for office to advocate reforms against corruption in Russia and against President Vladimir Putin and his government. Navalny has been described as the man Vladimir Putin fears most by the Wall Street Journal. Putin avoids directly referring to Navalny by name. Navalny was a Russian Opposition Coordination Council member. He is the leader of the Russia of the Future Party and the founder of the Anti-Corruption Foundation. Navalny has more than 6 million YouTube subscribers and more than 2 million Twitter followers. Through these channels, he publishes material about corruption in Russia, organizes political demonstrations and promotes his campaigns. In a 2011 radio interview, he described Russia's ruling party, United Russia, as a party of crooks and thieves, which became a popular epithet. Navalny and the FBK have published investigations detailing alleged corruption by high-ranking Russian officials. In March 2017, Navalny and the FBK released the documentary He Is Not Demon to You, accusing Dmitry Medvedev, the then Prime Minister and former President of Russia, of corruption, leading to mass protests across the country. In July 2013, Navalny received a suspended sentence for embezzlement. Despite this, he was allowed to run for mayor in the 2013 Moscow mayoral election and came in second, with 27% of the vote, outperforming expectations but ultimately losing to incumbent Mayor Sergei Sobyanin, a Putin appointee. In December 2014, Navalny received another suspended sentence for embezzlement. Both of his criminal cases were widely considered to be politically motivated and intended to bar him from running in future elections. The European Court of Human Rights later ruled that the cases violated Navalny's right to a fair trial, but they were never overturned. In December 2016, Navalny launched his presidential campaign for the 2018 presidential election, but he was barred by Russia's Central Electoral Commission after registering due to his prior criminal conviction, and the Supreme Court of Russia rejected his appeal. In 2017, the CEC stated that he would not be eligible to run for president until after 2028. In 2018, he initiated Smart Voting, a tactical voting strategy intended to consolidate the votes of those who oppose the United Russia Party, in order to deprive them of seats in elections. In August 2020, Navalny was hospitalized in serious condition after he was poisoned with a nerve agent. He was medically evacuated to Berlin and discharged a month later. Navalny accused Putin of being responsible for his poisoning, and an investigation implicated agents from the Federal Security Service in his poisoning. The EU, UK and US responded by imposing sanctions on senior Russian officials. On the 17th of January 2021, he returned to Russia, where he was immediately detained on accusations of violating parole conditions imposed as a result of his 2014 conviction. Following his arrest and the release of the documentary Putin's Palace, which accused Putin of corruption, mass protests across the country were held. On the 2nd of February, his suspended sentence was replaced with a prison sentence, meaning he will spend over 2.5 years in a corrective labor colony in Vladimir Oblast. A resolution by the ECHR called for his release. Navalny is of Russian and Ukrainian descent. His father is from Zalisha, a village near the border of Belarus in Ivankiv Raion, Kyiv Oblast, Ukraine. Navalny grew up in Obninsk, about 100 kilometers southwest of Moscow, but spent his childhood summers with his grandmother in Ukraine, acquiring proficiency in the Ukrainian language. His parents, Anatoly Navalny and Lyudmila Navalnaya, own a basket weaving factory in the village of Kobyakovo, Vologda Oblast, which they have run since 1994. Navalny graduated from the People's Friendship University of Russia in 1998 with a law degree. He then studied securities and exchanges at the Financial University under the government of the Russian Federation. Navalny received a scholarship to the Yale World Fellows Program at Yale University in 2010. In 2000, following the announcement of a new law that would raise the electoral threshold for State Duma elections. Navalny joined the Russian United Democratic Party Yabloko. According to Navalny, the law was stacked against Yabloko and Union of Right Forces, and he decided to join, even though he was not a big fan of either organization. In 2001, he was listed as a member of the party. In 2002, he was elected to the Regional Council of the Moscow branch of Yabloko. In 2003, he headed the Moscow subdivision of the election campaign of the party for the parliamentary election held in December. In April 2004, Navalny became chief of staff of the Moscow branch of Yabloko, which he remained until February 2007.